Rosemary is more than just a culinary herb, it's a versatile plant with countless benefits for your health, home, and overall well-being. From soothing sore muscles to enhancing memory and even improving hair health, rosemary has been a trusted remedy for centuries. In this video, I'll show you how to incorporate rosemary into your daily life with simple, effective tips and tricks. Let's begin! Let's start with a classic remedy: rosemary for sore muscles. This herb has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and stiffness. One of the best ways to use rosemary is by making rosemary alcohol. Take a handful of fresh rosemary sprigs and place them in a clean glass jar. Fill the jar with rubbing alcohol until the rosemary is fully submerged. Let it sit in a cool, dark place for about 2 weeks, shaking it occasionally. Strain the mixture and store it in a spray bottle. Use this to massage sore muscles after a workout or a long day. It's refreshing and soothing. Did you know that rosemary is also great for improving focus and memory? Its aroma can boost cognitive performance and help you stay alert. Boil a few sprigs of rosemary in water to release its essential oils. Let it cool and pour the infused water into a spray bottle. Use it as a room spray in your office or study space to create a refreshing and focused atmosphere. You can also inhale rosemary essential oil directly for an instant energy boost. Rosemary is a game changer for your hair. It promotes hair growth, reduces dandruff, and leaves your scalp feeling refreshed. Boil a few sprigs of fresh rosemary in water for 10–15 minutes. Let the mixture cool, then strain it into a container. Use it as a final rinse after shampooing to strengthen your hair and add shine. This natural remedy is perfect for those looking for healthier, more vibrant hair. Rosemary isn't just for your body, it's also a great addition to your home. Its strong scent acts as a natural insect repellent, and it's perfect for freshening up spaces. Place dried rosemary in a small cloth pouch or muslin bag. Add a few drops of rosemary essential oil for extra fragrance. Place the sachet in your closets, drawers, or even under your pillow for a relaxing aroma. It's an easy way to keep your home smelling fresh and clean naturally. Finally, rosemary can also support your digestive health. Drinking rosemary tea can help with bloating, indigestion, and overall gut health. Add a teaspoon of dried rosemary or a sprig of fresh rosemary to a cup of hot water. Let it steep for 5–10 minutes, then strain. Add a bit of honey or lemon for taste, and enjoy. It's a calming way to end a meal and take care of your stomach naturally. Rosemary is truly a wonder herb. Which of these tips are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more natural living tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.